Good morning everyone. Today we are going to discussing about the second QC mathematics subject in the exercise 3.2 matrices here. And yesterday we are discussing about up to 10 problems here, and today we are going to discussing about the problem number 11. What is the question here? If x into the matrix is given here, one matrix plus y into another matrix is given, it is equal to here matrix is given here 2 cross 1 matrix is given. Find the values of what asking here question x and y. Right? First we have to observe that question x into 2, 3 is given here elements of the matrix, and y into minus 1 1. It is equal to 10 5. Right? Then here multiplication of the matrix. Right? Here x you have to multiply inside the every one element of the matrix here. Right? And 2 into x what here? 2x, and 3 into x what here? 3x. Right? Next plus. Here also matrix multiplication we are using here. Right? We have to multiply inside the every one element here. Plus into minus what here? Minus y into 1 y. Next y into 1 what here? Y. It is equal to 10 5. Right? Here this is one matrix here. What is order here? 2 rows and 1 column. 2 cross 1, and this one also matrix order what here? 2 cross 1, and this one also 2 cross 1. Right? Here two matrices order must be same here. Right? In between what is the sign here? Addition sign. Right? We have to add the two matrices. How to add two matrices here? We have to add the corresponding elements here. Right? 2x of the first matrix of the element, the corresponding element of the second matrix is what here? Y. Plus into minus y. Next 3x plus into plus what here? Plus y. It is equal to 10 5. Right? Here what is order of this one matrix? This is entirely one element, and this one is another element here. Right? This one also order 2 cross 1, and this one matrix also order 2 cross 1. Right? What is the in between the sign here? Equal sign is there. Right? These two matrices are said to be equal if the order is same. Right? Corresponding elements are also equal. Right? Equality matrix definition is what here? Two matrices are said to be equal, whose order must be equal here. Then whose corresponding elements are also equal. Then 2x minus y, it is equal to whose corresponding element is what here? 10. 2x minus y, it is equal to 10. Right? And another one here what is 3x plus y, it is equal to 5. Right? This is the equation number 1, and this one is the equation number 2. Right? Here 2x minus y equal to 10, and 3x plus y, here plus y and minus y. Right? Then we have to cancellation directly these two equations. Then we change the sign what here? Both are plus sign. Right? Then 2x plus 3x how much here? 5x. Then plus y minus y get cancel. It is equal to 10 plus 5 how much here? 50. Right? And x is equal to multiplication term is converting into what here? Dividing term. 15 divided by 5 ones are 5. Right? And x is equal to 3. Right? Next one. Then x is equal to 3. We have to substitute either maybe equation number 1 or in maybe equation number 2. Right? Substitute. X equal to 3 in equation 1. Right? That is equation number 1 here. 2x minus y is equal to what here? 10. Right? Next 2. Already x value. What is x value here? 3. Then x in place we have to substitute 2 into 3 y. It is equal to 10. Right? 2 3 is how much here? 6. 6 minus y, it is equal to 10. Then this minus y we have to move that side. What happens here? Plus y. Then first time we have to move this side. What happens here? Minus. Right? 6 minus 10, it is equal to what here? y. 6 minus 10 how much here? Minus y is equal to minus 4. The next value is what here? Right? Next question, the question number 12th one. 12th question. What is the question here? Given 3 into x, y, z, w. It is equal to x 6 minus 1 2 w plus 4 x plus y z plus w. Find the values of x, y, z, w. Right? The question, 12th question, here given 3 into this one matrix is given, it is equal to the sum of the two matrices is given, right? This matrix plus this one matrix. Then first here we have scalar multiplication. Then we have to multiply the inside the matrix element for everyone. So the question is given here 3 into xy z w is equal to x 6 minus 1 2w plus 4 x plus y z plus w. 3 is given here question, right? Then we have to multiply 3 inside the every one element of the matrix here, right? 3 into x, 3x, this one 3y, 3z, 3w. It is equal to, right? Then these two matrices order must be same here, right? In between what is the second addition, the sum of the two matrices, right? How to add two matrices here? We have to add the corresponding elements here, right? X, the first matrix with corresponding elements of the second matrix is what here? 4. X plus 4. Next 6 plus what is the second matrix here? X plus y. Next minus 1 plus, both are plus here, z plus w, right? Next one 2w plus corresponding element is what here? 3. So, right? Here these two matrices are what here? Equal matrices here, right? Between what is the sign here? Equal matrix, right? This one matrix order 2 cross 2 and this one matrix also order 2 cross 2, whose corresponding elements are also equal here, right? Then 3x is equal to, what is the corresponding element here? X plus 4, right? Then here we have to find out the directly value here, x value. What is the value of x? Then this plus x we have to move that side. What happens here? 3x minus x. It is equal to what here? 4. 3x minus x is equal to how much here? 2x. 2x is equal to 4. Right? Then in between what is the sign here? Multiplication term converting into dividing term. Then x is equal to 4 divided by 2. And x is equal to what here? Right? X value comes here. Right? Next 3y. 3y is equal to its corresponding element is what here? This one. 3y is equal to its corresponding element what here? 6 plus x plus y. Right? This plus y we have to move this side. What happens here? Minus y. 3y minus y. It is equal to 6 plus x. 3y minus y how much here? 2y. 2y is equal to 6 plus x, right? Here already x value comes here. What is the value of x here? X is equal to 2. We have to substitute this in that equation here, right? 2y is equal to what here equation? 6 plus x here, right? Then 2y is equal to 6 plus 2y is equal to how much here? 6 plus how much here? 8. And y is equal to 8 divided by, right? 2 ones are 2. Y is equal to how much here? 4. Right? Y values comes here. Next, we have to find out the value of z. Then 3z is equal to, we have to take this one equation. 3z is equal to Next 3z is equal to, what is the equation here? 3z is equal to minus 1 plus z plus w, right? But here plus z we have to move that side, what comes here, minus z is there, right? But here w naught I don't know, right? That's why we have to find out the value of w here directly. Then this 3w is equal to, what is the corresponding element of the second matrix here? 2w plus 3 here, right? 3w, it is equal to 2w plus, here w values directly comes here, right? Then plus 2w we have to move that side, what happens here? 3w minus 2w, it is equal to 3, right? How much here? W is equal to how much here? Right? This w is equal to 3, we have to substitute in that equation, right? Then 3z, then plus z we have to move that side, what happens here? Minus z minus 1 plus w, right? 3z minus z how much here? 2z, right? 2z is equal to minus 1 plus w. What is the value of w here? 3. W equal to 3, we have to substitute in that equation here, right? In place of w we have to substitute 3. And 2z is equal to minus 1 plus 3, how much here? 2. Z is equal to what here? 2 divided by 2, right? Then z is equal to what here? How much? 1 here, right? Then what is the value of x, y, z and w here? X value is how much here? 2, and y value is how much here? 4, and z value is 1, and w value is how much here? Right? Next, question number 13. Right? There's a question here, question number 13. If f of x is equal to cos x minus sin x 0, sin x cos x 0, 0, 0, but show that f of x into f of y, it is equal to f of x plus y, right? In this question is asking from main examination 2020. If f of x is equal to, here 3 cross 3 order matrix is given here, cos x minus sin x 0, sin x cos x 0 and 0, 0, 1. Show that what we have to prove here, f of x into f of y, it is equal to what here? F of x plus y. Already f of x is given here. What is f of x here? This one. And f of y we have to find out. In place of x we have to replace y, right? Then what happens here? Already f of x is given here. F of x is what here? Cos x minus sin x 0, sin x cos x 0, 0, 0, right? Next, here we have to find out what here? F of y. In place of x we have to put y. F of y is equal to, right? In place of x we have to put what here? Y. Cos y minus sin y 0, sin y cos y 0, 0, 0 1, right? F of x and f of y square. Then what we have to do here, f of x into f of the product of the two matrices, right? We have to multiply these two matrices here, right? F of x into f of y, it is equal to, what is f of x here? Cos x minus sin x g, right? Next, sin x cos x 0 0 0, right? Into what is f of y here? Cos y minus sin y 0, sin x cos x 0. Next, 0 0 1, right? Then matrix multiplication. How to multiply the two matrices here? Then we have to multiply first row, first column, right? Rows into columns we have to multiply, right? Then we have to multiply first row, first column. Then we have to multiply the corresponding elements, right? And we get the sum. Cos x into cos y. First, cos x, cos y. Next, minus into plus what here? Minus sin x, sorry, sin y, cos y, right? Minus sin x into sin y. Right? Next, plus into plus what here? Plus should be 0. Not necessarily not right. Right? It's over. First row to first column is over. Next, first row to second column we have to multiply. Right? Cos plus into minus what here? Minus cos x into sin y. Next, minus into plus, minus, right? Cos x into y, sin y. Next, sin x into cos y. Right? Next, 0 plus 0 into 0, 0. It is not necessary. Right? Next, we have to multiply first row to third column. We have to multiply. Right? Cos x into 0 what here? 0. Next, minus into plus, minus sin x into 0, 0. Next, 0 into 0, 0. Right? This one element is what here? 0 minus 0 plus 0. Right? Next, have to multiply second row to first column. Sin x into cos y. Next, plus into plus, plus cos x into sin y. Cos x into sin y. Next, second row, 0 into 0, 0. It is not necessary we have to write it. Right? Next, second row to first column is over. Next, second row to second column. Plus into minus, minus sin x into sin x into sin y. Next, plus into plus, plus cos x into cos y. Right? Next, 0 into 0, 0. Not necessary you have to write it. Right? Next, second row to third column. Sin x into 0 what here? 0. Cos x into 0 plus 0. Next, both are plus. Plus 0. Right? Next, the third row to first column you have to multiply. 0 into any number? 0. Next, both are plus here. Plus 0 into any number? 0. Plus 1 into 0, 0. It's a 0 here. Right? Next, this one. Third row to second column. 0 into any number? 0. Next, plus 0 into any number is what here? 0. Plus 1 into 0, 0. this one is over. Next, third row to third term. 0 into any number, 0 plus 0 into any number, 0 plus 1 into 1, 1. Right? Next. Here, next one. Next, we are using the formula here, cos x cos y minus sin x sin y. It is nothing but what is the formula here? Cos x plus y. Right? It is the formula cos x plus y here. Cos x cos y minus sin x sin y. This formula is cos x plus y. Next, here both are minus sign is there. We have to take common from minus sign here. Minus take outside. We have to write this one, cos x sin y, or sin x cos y, sin x cos y. Next, minus plus cos x sin y. This one element is what here? 0. Right? Here this one element we have to write it as in this type. And again we have to multiply inside the matrix here, inside the elements here. Minus into plus what here? Minus sin x into cos y. This one comes here. And next, minus into plus what here? Minus cos x into sin y. This one comes here. Right? And next one, this one element is 0. And this one, sin x cos y plus cos x sin y. This is nothing but what is the formula here? Sin x plus y formula. Right? What is the sin x plus y formula here? Sin x cos y plus cos x sin y. Right? Sin x plus y is equal to. Next, here, minus sin x sin y plus cos x cos y. But we have to read it as in this way, cos x cos y minus sin x sin y. Right? Cos x cos y minus sin x sin y. It is nothing but what already this one term and this one term are similar here. Right? But here this one term write it as first here onwards. This term can be write it as second term here. Right? Right? Both are same terms here. Right? This is the formula from what here? Cos x cos y minus sin x sin y. It is nothing but what here? Cos x plus y. Right? And this one term is what here? 0. And next one, this one 0. And next this one term is what here? 0. And this one last term is what here? Right? Next. Right? And next one is finally here, f of x into f of y is equal to, is the term here, cos x plus y. And next one, this minus kept as it is here. That is the formula here, sin x cos y plus cos x sin y. It is nothing but what here? Minus, you have to write as it as sin x plus y. That is the sin x plus y formula here, sin x cos y plus cos x sin y. Right? And next last one term, that is what here? 0. And next term, sin x plus y and cos x plus y, 0, 0, 0. Right? And what we have to prove here? F of x into f of y is equal to f of y. It is equal to what here? F of x plus y. Right? Both functions here. F of x plus y. Right? Then function x here and this one function y here. Right? Then both are cos x plus y minus sin x plus y 0, sin x plus y, cos x plus y 0, 0, 1. Right? This is the proof here. Right? F of x into f of y. It is equal to given matrix here. X can be replaced by what here? X plus y, x plus y, x plus y, x plus y. Right? That's why the function x can be replaced by f of x plus y. Right? This one the